Sagittarius, welcome to your November 2021 general tarot read. I'll pull out a card first as a general message for you guys from the Moonology deck, and then we'll get into the tarot read. Thanks for joining me today, Sagittarius, and I hope you enjoy the reading. So let's get a single card first. Too many cards fell. Let me take it once again. All right. The energy is gaining momentum. So this is your card. The energy is gaining momentum. So something is slowly building up, something that is of significance for you. Let's get into the tarot. So we'll pull out 3 cards, and one will be indicative of your recent past, second your current energies, and third will be what is coming towards you. So in your recent past, let's see what is there in your recent past. The 4 of Cups. This is in your recent past. Now in your current, what is there in your current? So in the recent past, there could have been a loss of some sort, Sagittarius. You could have been disappointed at the turn of events. You could have felt that some opportunities were lost, or somebody had left you, after offering something out of the blue. They would have basically left you high and dry without much warning, or you missed out on furthering something with someone. Now in the current energies, we have the 4 of Wands and the Hanged Man. The 4 of Wands and the Hanged Man. Alright, so this is your current, and let's see what's coming towards you. So there could have been a stall. You could have wished for a lot of stability from this connection, Sagittarius, but yeah, as I said, it left you a little bit remorseful, kind of stressed and anxious, and things could have not turned out the way you wanted. Now what's coming towards you is the 10 of Swords. Alright, so let's see what each of these means. So let's get clarifiers. And the end of the deck is the 5 of Wands. So there could have been a lot of competition in this particular scenario for you guys. So let's get clarifiers. So let's see why the 4 of Cups is here. Alright, the 4 of Cups explained by the 4 of Swords, the 6 of Cups, and the Chariot. So it could be somebody who came back from the past, Sagittarius, somebody from a past life, and this person would have connected with you instantly, and it could have taken a backseat. They could have decided to move on from you, or this is a connection or an offer that came to you, or this is you trying to move on from something. But I feel this is them having moved away, or you moving away from this connection in the recent past, and you wanted to take a look at the deeper meaning of this connection. Okay, now let's see why the 4 of Wands is here. So you would have expected, you would have thought that a lot of stability would come out of this, the Judgment card. So the 4 of Wands explained by Judgment. So this was a divinely ordained connection probably, or there was a decision, there was a decision that was made by either of you to get into a committed relationship. Let's get one more card. Why is the 4 of Wands here? So So there was a decision made by somebody, or the decision here was stalled. The Queen of Wands. So it could have been a fire sign, or this is you, the Queen of Wands, and somebody could have had a lot of choices when it came to this connection, and they decided to just move on. Yeah, the Queen of Swords. Somebody was very logical here, and they decided to cut off this connection, or bring a kind of a break to it. And the Emperor also fell out. So somebody took charge of their power. They decided to stall this connection, okay, and they wanted to work on themselves. Probably they felt that probably this connection was way beyond their expectations, and they wanted to kind of work on themselves. Now let's see why the Ten of Swords is here. The Ten of Swords indicates an ending that's coming towards you. Maybe it's an ending to the sad state of affairs, or yeah, the Eight of Swords. So somebody was feeling a lot of challenges coming their way. Somebody was feeling entrapped in their own illusory troubles, and they decided to call it a day. They decided to move on. But this could be kind of temporary also, because I see a new beginning here. Let's get two more cards. Then two cards fell down. Let me fetch the cards. Three cards fell out, in fact. The Three of Pentacles, the Hermit, and the Page of Wands. So somebody wants to work on themselves. Definitely they want to come back with a new offer, and they want to escape from their own cage, the cage that they have made, they have built of using their own troubles. So somebody wants to withdraw temporarily, but I think this is only a temporary ending, and probably they could come back, with an offer of passion. Or this is you deciding to work on yourself, and get back later on as a healed person. So having said that, the star, you can see the star over here. So let's see why the energy is gaining momentum card is over here. It's the message from the universe for you, the energy gaining momentum. So probably this is not a stop to your dreams, Sagittarius. Actually, the action is going to happen. It's not an end at all. Don't worry about it. All endings are new beginnings, if you see it like that, okay? So I believe this person or you are going to learn a lot from this. So yeah, this is, the Four of Wands and Death card is here, and the Moon, okay, and the Lovers. So it could be a Gemini, it could be a Scorpio, it could be a Pisces in your case, but I can see that I would say that there is a lot of transformation required, in order for the other person to see clearly, or you to see clearly through something, and that's why there is a separation, or there is some sort of an ending. So I hope, see, these are general readings and will not resonate with all of you. And if it does not resonate, please do not, do try and take only what resonates. Okay, thanks a lot for joining me, Sagittarius. This is a mini read. All of my readings are mini reads. Do let me know in the comment section what you feel about this reading, and do let me know. It will help me a lot. Do give me a like. It will help spread the reading. Thanks a lot for joining once again, and I'll see you around for your mid-November reading. Bye-bye.